So you're in an advanced math or STEM-oriented course, and you might be second-guessing yourself. It's common to think at some point, everyone's getting it, but I'm not. Or maybe you find yourself saying, I should keep my struggles private. Many students feel this way. Get ready as we brainstorm strategies to help in your advanced course. Try homework groups. It's okay to need help with a concept, so assemble a group of classmates committed to learning together. Work in common areas such as HAV, Carlson Library, engineering, and so on. Take turns leading the problem. Peer teaching is a powerful learning tool. Just stay mindful the work is collaboration and not copying. Do all the problems. Don't just default to the professor's one practice problem or stick to one example that you resolve. If you look up a solution, then rework the problem without the solution as well. Test yourself and make sure you now get it. Math, chemistry, and other STEM classes are detail-oriented. Be able to track your steps and logic. Train yourself to pay attention to the details. Reflect further with your success coach on your study routines and systems to help. Use YouTube, Khan Academy, and other websites appropriately if you need to seek resources. Avoid over-reliance on these tools at the expense of your learning, however. See the notes below for helpful math and STEM websites to consider. Don't wait a long time to get help. Math, chem, and other subjects layer rapidly. Seek support early, and remember, you are not alone. Watch your mindset. Avoid the temptation to blame the instructor for your limited progress. Catch yourself if you're making statements about giving up or that you'll never master the material. Challenge your attitude and take ownership. Identify what parts are within your control as a student and what you're willing to do. Try our Start the Change handout for some questions that help identify an action plan that will work for you. Don't forget to understand the definition or theorem behind a concept. Sometimes students get stuck in the steps without understanding why they are solving the problem. On exams, notice if you struggle when a problem is phrased differently or when asked to define the theory. It's a sign that you need to better target the big picture in addition to the practical applications. It's important to work side by side with a learning expert for targeted feedback. It's how we can best pinpoint errors in our thinking and master content. Getting help on a project will be important once in the field as well, so establish the habit now. Be sure to consider office hours and regular conversation with your instructor. See the office hours agenda tool in the notes below for an example of how to start a conversation. Do your homework in the LEC. You can pull over the trained tutors when you need clarification on a topic. Don't forget there also might be departmental tutoring or other special tutoring options. Work with your instructor, advisor, and success coach to identify support. Need more help making a plan in your math or STEM course? Start with your success coach today.